In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3D animations to a design on Visme. Now, whether you're looking to enhance your presentation, create a more engaging infographic, or simply add a bit of flair to your project, incorporating 3D animations can truly make your design stand out. So, let's dive in and see how you can easily do this using Visme. First, you'll want to have your project open in the Visme editor. If you're not already there, log into your Visme account and open the project where you'd like to add your 3D animation. Visme is quite user-friendly, so you should find navigating the platform a breeze. Now, once you're in your project, you'll be focusing on the graphics section of the editor, which holds a treasure trove of design elements. Head over to the left-hand panel and look for the Graphics tab. Click on it, and it will open up a variety of graphic options. Within this section, you'll find a category called 3D and Virtual Assets. Select this category to access a range of three-dimensional graphics designed to elevate your visual content. This part of the library is specifically curated to offer dynamic, eye-catching elements such as shapes, hands, and icons. Now, the key here is to locate a 3D asset that is animated. Visme provides these 3D animated graphics to add movement and interest to your designs. As you browse through the selection, you'll notice animations that can really draw the viewer's eye and add a layer of depth to your work. Take a moment to peruse the options and find one that complements your design. Once you've found a suitable 3D animated graphic, you can add it to your canvas. There are a couple of simple ways to do this. You can either drag the element you've chosen directly onto your canvas, or you can simply click it, and it will automatically place itself on the canvas. Voila! Your 3D animation is now part of your project, ready to catch attention and bring your design to life. From here, you might want to play around with the positioning and size of the animation to ensure it seamlessly integrates with the rest of your design. You can click and drag the corners to resize it, or click and hold to move it around until you find the perfect spot. Visme's intuitive interface makes this process smooth and straightforward, so feel free to experiment until your design looks just right. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've added a touch of three-dimensional magic to your Visme project. Remember, these graphics are not just visually appealing. They can also help convey your message in a more dynamic way. Use them thoughtfully to enhance your design's overall impact. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.